Kendall Heron, it could be hours before I get to front of the court, so we'll just give you a call, all right?
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Goldstein, I've got a bunch of people in my waiting room with no names, so I'm gonna try to find your client. I just admitted somebody on a Samsung device with glasses. What is your name, sir?
Ryan Bates.
Say it again.
Ryan Bates.
Spell your last name.
Bates.
Thank you, John.
Do you know? Okay, and yes, Miss Adams.
That one was adjourned by the attorney and the AG's office. I'm trying to look and see what we adjourned it to. I believe they wanted a couple months.
So, Mr. Bates, reach out to your attorney. It looks like you must be making payments, so they adjourned it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. I just admitted someone on a Samsung device with a hard hat on. So, sir, what's your name?
Zachary Rosenberg.
That's what I was looking for. All right. So, let
Do you need me to
me.
take my hard hat off, Your Honor?
The next 10 days.
Are you allowed to take it off where you are?
Yeah, at this point.
Yeah, I can take it off right now.
60 days.
Okay, then go ahead.
Matter, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Goldstein, are you ready on this one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this is in the matter of the file number 2023-21322FC, 2026-22525FH. Mr. Goldstein, you got another court going live?
Oh, sorry, Judge. I thought I'd muted that one, but I didn't. Sorry.
All right. Okay. I have David Goldstein appearing on behalf of Mr. Rosenberg. Mr. Rosenberg and Mr. Goldstein have zoomed in separately. And I have Alexander Bayonetto appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a probation violation pretrial as well as a final pretrial. So, Mr. Goldstein, how would you like to proceed today?
Well, Your Honor, according to my notes, we have a jury trial scheduled for July 15th. At this point, as far as I can tell, the matter was going to proceed. Obviously, Mr. Bayonetto and I will talk between now and then about resolution, but at this point, we are ready for trial.
We also have a letter dated June 2nd stating that Mr. Rosenberg has continued to do his twice-a-week drug testing and has only been testing positive for marijuana, but he has a medical marijuana card. I also, though, have a note from Martina Aranda stating that we still don't have fingerprints on the newest file that is set for pretrial today. Let me see who the arresting agency is. It's City of Adrian. Mr. Rosenberg, I'm going to need you to reach out to the City of Adrian and set up a time to go get your fingerprints done. Okay. Oh,
Your
yes.
Honor, he went yesterday because he wanted to get them done by today. There's no order. There's no order. He needs an order.
I talked to Sergeant Keene.
I'm sorry, Zach, say that again.
I talked to Sergeant Keene yesterday, and she said that there was no order form for me, and that there was nothing that she could do.
Okay, So we will email to Sergeant Keene today a copy of the fingerprint order, and then you should be good to reach out to her again. Okay, Mr. Rosenberg?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So we will continue this matter to trial. Has there been a plea offer made on the 2026 file, Mr. Bandetto or Mr. Rosenberg? Or Mr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Goldstein?
Go ahead, Alex.
Plea to one count, drop the other.
All
No
right.
habituals.
All right, so plead to 1 4-year and the other one will be dismissed. Okay. All right, very good. Okay, thank you, Mr. Goldstein and Mr. Bandetto and Mr. Rosenberg, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
When is the
Thank
trial?
you.
When is the trial scheduled, Judge?
July 15th.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, July 15th, Sarah.
All right, Mr. Goldstein, I believe that's all you have with me today.
That's it, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. You
By
have
the
a
way, I
great
hope
day.
you,
Thank
I
you.
see you're feeling better.
Finally, yeah, finally.
When I was
So-
talking to John Shea and told him that you had pneumonia, he was worried about you, so.
Well, that's what happens when you travel and you go from a cold, wet climate to a hot climate. So, yeah.
Good, I'm glad to hear
Yeah,
you better.
thank you. Bye. All right, the next attorney I had was Mr. Amadeo. Find Mr. Amadeo. Caleb Daniels, I have Mr. Daniels. All right, this, Mr. Daniels, you can start your audio and your video. So, all right, this is file number 2025-22256FH in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Caleb Daniels. I'm getting a lot of feedback. I have William Amadeo appearing on behalf of Mr. Daniels, and I have Alexander Bandetto appearing on behalf of the people. We did have a Zoom conference the other day for a Cobb's. Mr. Sneed was not able to appear, so we weren't able to do that Cobb's conference. And this matter has been set for trial on June 16. What day did we say Goldstein's trial was?
July 7th.
Oh, okay. So, and this is a final pretrial. Motions were to be filed by today. Jury instructions of voir dire questions were due last week. So, Mr. Amadeo, where do we stand?
Judge, you did tell me we could try to talk about a Cobb's today. I don't intend this matter to go to trial. I don't know if it'd be easier if I came to your office this afternoon or late morning, if that's acceptable. I don't want to hold up your pre-trials, but I did want to have a Cobb's meeting, and I submitted a Cobb's memo. I don't anticipate this going to trial.
Well, Mr. Amadeo, or Mr. Bayonetto, is Mr. Sneed here today?
He is, Your Honor. He has a bond modification motion to argue with Mr. Goldstein in front of Judge Olsaver, and then he intends on coming over here to your court. So if the court wants to just pass this for a few minutes, he should be over here.
Mr. Amadeo, are you in our building or somewhere else?
No, I'm actually in Washington, but I could get over to you after my 14A hearings. If you want me to drive out there, I have no problem with it.
So, if we want to, Mr. Amadeo, I don't have a huge docket this morning, so I would be able to take a recess and go back in my assistant's office and do a Cobb's conference if you'd like. So, Mr. Amadeo, why
It
don't?
looks like, I'm sorry, Judge. It looks like
Yeah.
Mr. Sneed is arguing the motion with Judge Olsaver now, so he shouldn't be more than a few minutes.
Okay, so we want to wait, Mr. Amadeo, do you have time?
I'm actually in the 15th. I could try to handle that and log back in a few minutes if that works, Judge.
Sure, that works fine. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Daniels, I'm gonna pop you in the waiting room, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, what is your name?
Tony Gage,
All right.
Village.
Yep. All right, you have Miss Underwood and she goes to Judge Olsaver first and then she comes here. So it'll be a few minutes, okay? All right, Charles Noe.
Good morning, Your Honor.
So, Charles,
Yeah, I've got Mr. Incline here at the office with me, and we are ready when you are.
but I don't have you on my docket. So, Miss Adams?
Oh. Should have been.
I'm sorry, Judge, what case was it?
That's Mr. Inclan. Vincent Inclan.
I've got a court stamp stip. The court signed back on April 3rd, adjourning this to today.
Oh, that's entirely possible.
Okay, I didn't have it in the book, Judge, so I apologize.
Okay.
I may be able to track down the file.
Okay, so Mr. Noy, give us a few minutes and we're gonna track down the file, all right? Okay.
We're ready when the
Are you
court is.
here to
Thank you.
watch or do either of you have a case today?
I have a case today.
What's your name?
Right now I'm classing.
Okay, so Miss Underwood's your attorney and she goes to Judge Olsaver first and then she comes to me, so it'll be a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so,
And her MDLC is here. Too.
okay.
She's in back.
Yeah. All right, I got Caleb Anderson. All right, Caleb Anderson, if you can start your audio and your video, please. All right, Mr. Anderson, I'm gonna send you a little request to unmute.
All right.
Good. All right, this is file number 2022-21127FH, 2022-21106FH, and 23-21247FH. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Caleb Michael John Anderson. This is the date and time set for request and summons for probation violation. So, Mr. Anderson, it is alleged that you have committed a non-technical probation violation on each of these files. And that on March 26th of 2026, you're arrested and you have been charged with retail fraud, 3rd degree, from Home Depot in Canton, Michigan, with a total amount stolen of $139.91. And that during the arrest, allegedly K9 discovered methamphetamine, a partial glass pipe, crystal residue, and a piece of a Suboxone strip, and that you have pending charges in the 35th District Court in Plymouth on April 29 for those things. So, Mr. Anderson, I don't want you to say anything about the case. I want you just to answer the questions I ask you, okay? Have you gone to court for that case, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and when is your next court date?
I don't have another court date. They just gave me a fine and then that was it. They settled it out with just a fine.
So you pled guilty to something and then they assess fines and costs?
They I pled guilty to the retail fraud, 3rd or whatnot.
Okay, are you on probation?
Nope. They gave me a fine. It was like $600, $700 fine, and then that was it.
Okay.
And then
Alright,
I violated
well,
my parole stuff or whatnot, and they gave me a tether, and I got to set up counseling stuff or whatnot. So.
okay, so all right, so Ms. Teskey, All right, so Mr. Anderson, on our files, you're currently on probation for breaking and entering a vehicle, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 5 years in prison. You're on probation for, on file number 22-21106. Looks like possession of methamphetamine, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 10 years in prison. And then on file number 23-21247FH, you're on probation for breaking and entering a building with intent, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 10 years in prison. So those are the maximum penalties for all of these files if you were to plead guilty to the violation of probation. Do you understand that?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
is-
No, hold on. Now, you do have a right to have a court-appointed attorney if you can't afford to hire one. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you on these files?
Yes.
Okay, so, we're gonna appoint an attorney to represent you, and, Miss Adams, what would be another date I could adjourn this to?
Just for pretrial?
Yeah. Miss Underwood has a lot this morning.
I mean, I don't know. Do you want to do it next Wednesday or?
Yeah, or Thursday or Friday, or do you have to work today, Mr. Anderson?
No, I don't.
Okay, so Mr. Anderson, why don't we do this? Why don't you log back in at 10 o'clock? And then Miss Underwood should be here by then, okay?
Today? 10 o'clock today?
Yes, sir. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, that way you're not just sitting in my waiting room and you can go do whatever you need to do until then. But log back in at 10 o'clock and I'll have Miss Underwood here to talk to you, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thank you.
Yep, thank you. Have a good afternoon or whatnot.
Yep, I'll see you in a little bit. Thank you.
Yep, bye.
Bye. All right, Mr. Noe, I do now have, do you have a file number, Miss Spade, for Inclan? It's district court file number 2025-2407 SM. And I'll wait until you get everything set up.
We're good.
We're
Thank
good?
you. Yep.
Okay, so, this is file number 2025-2407 SM. This is a district court file in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Vincent Matthew Inclan. I have Charles Noe appearing on behalf of Mr. Inclan, and I'm gonna go with Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So this is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. Mr. Noe and Mr. Sneed, I think this is Mr. Gumto file assigned, but
Mr. Gumtown's not available today, and I thought Mr. Baynano was covering it, but if Mr. Steed's okay, that's fine. We did provide the court with an updated pretrial statement, literally just a few minutes ago, sent it to Miss Adams. There's going to be a plea on this matter to aggravated assault. There's a killabrew to no additional upfront jail time.
okay. Let me get back there. All right, so there's going to be an amended information adding a count 2 aggravated assault.
I don't know if we could do that because it's a district court misdemeanor matter. I mean, we could do it. The prosecutor needs to do that. We just don't typically do that unless the court needs it for its own reasons.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not, okay, whatever. I mean, I don't usually do district court stuff, so
I know,
that's
I know.
fine. I think the plea agreement is all they need down in district court, so. Okay, so he's going to plead to an aggravated assault, which is a 1-year misdemeanor. Count 1, child abuse 4th degree will be dismissed. And then there is a Killebrew agreement between the prosecutor and Mr. Noe that his client will do no additional upfront jail time. Mr. Sneed, I know this is not your file. Are you okay proceeding today on behalf of Mr. Gumto?
I am, Your Honor, and that's an accurate
Okay.
recitation of the plea.
All right, so Mr. Inclan, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now I'm gonna need you to speak just a little bit louder, so that we pick you up. Now, Mr. Inclan, you've heard the statement of your attorney, the prosecuting attorney, and I read the criminal pretrial statement. Is it your intention today to plead guilty to aggravated assault, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 1 year in jail?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
And you understand there's an agreement between the prosecutor and your attorney that there will be no upfront jail. But if you were to violate the terms of your probation, you understand that you could be facing up to 1 year in jail.
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
All right. Are you satisfied with Mr. Noe as your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes, I am.
Other than the Killebrew agreement, neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed any other possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Noe?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Inclan, is that correct as far as you're aware?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Mr. Inclan, do you understand if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you had been convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay, do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand if your plea is accepted and you engage in any misconduct as defined in MCR 6.310 between now and sentencing, the court will not be bound by any sentencing agreement or evaluation, and you will not have a right to withdraw your plea. Misconduct is defined to include, but is not limited to, absconding or failing to appear for sentencing, violating terms of conditions on bond or the terms of any sentencing or plea agreement, or otherwise failing to comply with an order of the court pending sentence. So if you were to violate your bond conditions or be charged with a new offense, the Killebrew agreement would disappear, and I could give you up to a year in jail if I wanted. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
Okay, if you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so how do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about November 20th, 2025, is this the city of Adrian, Mr. Noe?
Yes, this is, let me look. Yeah, the information just says Lenawee County. Were you,
Yeah,
when the
so-
incident happened, were you in Adrian or were you
Yes.
in Madison Township or
It's Adrian.
City of Adrian?
Yes.
Okay, City of Adrian.
Okay. All right, so on November 20th, 25, were you in the city of Adrian in the county of Lenawee?
Yes.
Okay, and you were in the presence of a minor, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you commit the offense of aggravated assault?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And do you plead guilty to committing the offense of aggravated assault?
I plead guilty.
Okay, has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No, Your Honor.
Do you understand if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during the hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay, is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Mr. Sneed?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Noe?
No, Your Honor.
Other than the no upfront jail, has your attorney promised you any particular sentence or estimate what your sentence will be in terms of fines, cost, probation, or any other terms?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes, it is.
All right, so, Mr. Inclan, on November 20th, 2025, were you in the city of Adrian in the county of Lenawee?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
All right, and were you at that time in the presence of a minor child?
Yes, I was, Your Honor.
And who is this child? Is it your child or a partner's child?
Yes, yes, it's my son.
Okay, and at some point, you assaulted him and it resulted in some injuries. So how did you assault him?
Your Honor, I have taken discipline too far, which was absolutely not okay in any way, shape.
Just want to hear what you did. Did you
form.
punch him, slap him, kick him? What did you do?
But physically, what did you? Yeah,
Oh, I slapped him.
All right, and
Yeah.
did he receive an injury from that?
Yes, he did, a physical injury.
Okay, was it a bruise?
It was a bruise, yes.
Mr. Noe, anything else?
No, I'm satisfied with that.
Mr. Sneen?
People are satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Mr. Sneen?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Noe?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them other than the Killebrew agreement. I'm going to refer this matter to the district court probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. So I'm going to, Mr. Noe, are you available July 17?
Just one moment. I certainly am.
All right, so I'm going to set this for sentencing on July 17 at 8:15 in the morning. So not tomorrow, but next Thursday morning, Mr. Inclan, I need you to go to the district court probation department between 8 and 10 a.m. Check in there, they'll have your file, they'll do a pre-sentence interview, be truthful with them about your background, the events that occurred, they'll prepare a report. We will provide a copy to Mr. Noe. I know that you guys stay in good contact. Mr. Noe will review that with you before the day of sentencing, and we'll see you back here on July 17 at 8:15. Because there's no upfront jail, Mr. Noe, and Mr. Inclan, you can appear in person or via Zoom. What is your preference?
Zoom, please.
All right, so is that all right, Mr. Inclan?
Yes, it is.
All right, and your bond conditions continue, and we'll see you back on that day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay. All right, so now we just need to wait for Miss Underwood. And I know she's busy. She's busy. Miss Brenner, Miss Underwood is still down in front of Judge Olsaver, so it might be a little while, all right?
I know, Judge. She and I had 12 together this morning, so we adjourned as many as we could, but that still left I think 5 or 6. So
All right, well, you just hang out, all right?
I will. Thanks.
All right, I'm gonna make Becky co-host, and I got a couple people, I don't know who they are, so let me check who they are. All right, I just admitted somebody on an iPhone device. If you could start your audio for me. What is your name, please?
Zachary Dillard.
All right, Mr. Dillard, I am going to rename you. And your attorney is Rhonda Underwood. I do have the AG here. Miss Underwood does go to Judge Olsaver's court first. So she is next door right now. So I'm gonna change your screen name. I'm gonna pop you in the waiting room, and I will, let me see here. I got something going on. I'm going to put you in the waiting room, and I'll bring you back in a few minutes, okay?
All right.
All right, I'm honestly getting better, I swear. I feel better. All right, I just admitted somebody with the screen name of Zoom user and sent your request to unmute. If you could unmute your device and let me know who you are.
Nathan Lawrence.
All right, I'm gonna change your screen name. And Mr. Lawrence, you also have Rhonda Underwood, and she is next door in front of Judge Olsaver. And when she's done there, she comes to me, and so I'm gonna change your screen name, and I'm gonna pop you in the waiting room, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's another Brenner one. I think I have all your files this morning, Miss Brenner.
Yeah, I have a lot. I have, let's see.
So many. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 with you this morning. So,
Bridges,
all right,
Dillard, Osborne, Lawrence. Yeah.
okay, I'm gonna step off the bench until, you know, I get Rhonda. I know she's working, so she's not ignoring me. Yeah. Mr. Sneed, I'm back in Miss Adams' office, and I'm going to open up a breakout room and bring you and Mr. Amadeo in, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay. No, I'm not ready. Okay. Tell her it'll be a minute. I'm doing a breakout. All right. So Mr. Amadeo and Mr. Sneed join that breakout room.
Got it, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed, can you join the breakout room? Okay. So. Where's Mr. Daniels? There it is. Okay, so we are back on the record in the matter. The file number 25-22256F8. I have had an opportunity to have a conversation with Mr. Amadeo and Mr. Sneed. It appears, Mr. Daniels, you might have some new charges. So I am going to adjourn this out to find a date. Mr. Amadeo, are you available on July 29?
Yep, I'll make that work, Judge. Thank you.
July 29 at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Daniels? I'm
Yes,
glad
ma'am.
you're in rehab. I'm glad you're in rehab. You've been there before, but listen to me. We need to take care of this stuff, okay? So in the next 2 weeks, I want you to come here and turn yourself in on these new warrants so that we can group all this stuff together and get it taken care of so that you can then head off on your road to recovery. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so July 29 at 8:30, Mr. Amadeo, can you do the stip in order to adjourn?
Yep, absolutely, Judge. And Caleb, let me know when you're going to turn yourself in. I don't know if I'm going to be on the case, but I'll get to you, Rain. But please, let's take care of that. She's giving you a major break right now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I'll take care of the stip. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Right.
All right, Miss Underwood, let's start with, okay, hold on.
Lawrence will be a quick adjournment one, Judge. So if
Who?
you have Lawrence.
I believe it should already have been adjourned or was one we were going to
Nathan
adjourn,
Lawrence,
Your
I don't-
Honor.
All right, let me
didn't.
call it before we start talking. All right, this is file number 2025-22395FH. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Nathan Edward Lawrence. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Lawrence. And I have Sarah Brunner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General's office. Says the date, time set for pretrial. Ms. Brunner and Ms. Underwood, you're asking for an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor, his payment efforts are going well. They've increased in the last couple of months. So I would agree to give him more time to continue those efforts.
Can we go 90 days, Your Honor?
Oh, let me see. Miss Adams, could I get a September Wednesday pretrial date, please?
Okay.
And I'd be happy to do the stip in order with Miss Brunner's permission.
Yes, thank you.
We could do September 9.
All right, we're gonna adjourn this to September 9 at 8:30 in the morning. And Miss Underwood, you can do the stip in order to adjourn, and Miss Brunner said you could sign her name with permission.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Lawrence. See you back on that day.
September when again? I'm sorry.
September 9. 9/9.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Keep up the good work.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. All right, in file number 20, this is Osborne, file number 25-22344F8. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Brian Osborne. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Osborne. He's present via Zoom. And I have Sarah Brenner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General's office. Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I believe I provided Ms. Brunner with proof of Mr. Osborne's payments. He's making his payments, Your Honor. So we would respectfully request a 60 to 90 day adjournment. And I would be happy to do this stip in order with Ms. Brunner's permission.
All right, Miss Brenner.
Your Honor, I'm fine with that. When I had checked these last week, he just hadn't made the payment yet. So he made it after I looked. Otherwise, we would have taken care of this previously. So yeah, I don't have a problem with the adjournment.
All right, so I'll adjourn it to September 9 at 8:30 in the morning. And Miss Underwood, can you do the stip in order to adjourn?
I will do so.
Miss Brenner, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, thank you.
All right, Mr. Osborne, keep up the good work. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right. I have a couple people in the courtroom, Miss Underwood, and I'm gonna do the couple with Miss Brenner first, okay?
Thank you.
So, Mr. Dillard, all right, let me get his file. This is in the matter of file number 2025-22291FH. The matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Zachary Ryan Dillard. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Dillard and Sarah Brenner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General. So, Ms. Underwood, how do you wish to proceed with Mr. Dillard today?
Your Honor, I spoke to Mr. Dillard yesterday, and Mr. Dillard provided me with an update. Is he in the courtroom, Your Honor?
He's right on Zoom.
Oh, there he is. Can I just have a brief breakout with him?
Sure. All right. So, Mr. Dillard, I'm going to open up a breakout room and send you an invitation to join and take a moment to chat with Ms. Underwood. So, all right, Mr. Dillard, Ms. Underwood, join that breakout room.
Her other one's in jail. Riggs.
Riggs.
Questions?
Oh, yeah. Might as well call them. Bridges. Who are you? Hey, this is Judge Anslone. I am ready for Mr. Bridges.
Bridges, okay.
Johnny Bridges. Thank you.
Okay, sounds good.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, Mr. Dillard, I'm gonna bring him back.
Judge,
Yes.
have you done Mr. Huston Owen?
No.
Okay, he's still there. Their MDOC's there.
Yep.
Yeah. All right. We're back on the record with Mr. Dillard, file number 25-22291FH. Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, Mr. Dillard, I just want to make sure my facts, made a $200 payment on the 29th. And
Yes.
he had a little, he had to get new housing, Your Honor. That's why he's been short. But on the 15th, he will go back to paying $400 every month, Your Honor. So I would ask for an adjournment in this matter.
Miss Brenner? You're muted.
Sorry, Judge. He had an income withholding order, and that's why I wanted to check in on this one. It looks like that ended in February. So is there employment that's going to continue? Or
Yeah, I still got a job. I don't know why it's not coming out of my check. I have no idea because I filled everything out.
So,
well,
Mr. Dillard, yeah. So here's the deal. Make sure you talk to your employer about why the income withholding is not coming out. If they say they don't have one, you need to contact the front of the court. But if it doesn't come out of your check, make that check's payment online, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to set this out to September 9 at 8:30. So 9/9 at 8:30. And Ms. Underwood, can you do the step in order to adjourn?
I will be happy to do that, Your Honor.
no
Okay.
objection.
Very good. All right. Keep up the good work, Mr. Dillard. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. So Johnny Bridges in the courtroom. Anybody? Johnny Bridges?
He's in
Oh.
jail, Your Honor.
Oh, you know what? I have that written down and here he is. But I've got the jail room, but he's not connected to audio. So let's give that a minute. All right. James Rodriguez.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Can I ask what you're here for?
Child support, I think. I don't know. Phone because they were doing. I went to jail for years. I bonded
All right,
out.
hold on one second, Mr. Rodriguez. Hold on. Miss Brenner and Miss Underwood, is this case you adjourned?
We did adjourn this to August 26th.
Mr. Rodriguez, your case was adjourned to August 26th at 8:30, all right?
All right. If I'm paying, it's gonna keep getting adjourned because this is like, how do I put it? It's arrears case, but I'm paying on it. So I don't know. How that
Mr.
works.
Rodriguez, you have a child support order in place. You're paying it off. As long as you're paying it off, it'll get adjourned. If you quit paying on it, then you go to jail. So we're doing good. You're making payments. We've adjourned it. So August 26th at 8:30 in the morning, I would reach out to your attorney's office, maybe the day before the next hearing to see if it got adjourned again, all right?
Okay, who are my attorneys again?
Your attorney is public defender's office, so call there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Bye-bye. Mr. Bridges, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is file number 2026-22611FH. I have the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Johnny Rahul Bridges. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Bridges, and I have Sarah Brenner appearing on behalf of the people. I have it down for a pretrial, but I also don't have anything in the file indicating he was arraigned. So, Ms. Underwood?
I believe he was arraigned. There's not a waiver in the file, Your Honor.
There's not a waiver and there's not a pretrial notice. But
Okay.
Oh, well,
Then-
maybe they're out of order. Never mind. He was arraigned. It's just not in order. Miss Underwood, how do you wish to proceed with Mr. Bridges today?
May I have a breakout with Mr. Bridges? I need to
Yep,
update him on our conversation from yesterday.
Okay, so Mr. Bridges, I am going to open up a breakout room. Click on join the breakout room. When you're done talking to Miss Underwood, if you don't know how to get out of the breakout room, I'll bring you back. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Brenner, I think they get confused because front of the court now has to notify on the show causes when cases get adjourned the week before. But I don't think we do. This doesn't happen on the new felony child support cases.
Okay. The only one besides this one I have is Morales. Left.
You might have
Gustavo.
Morales, but I don't have Morales.
Uh-oh. Let me see. Yeah, we adjourned it from March 11th to today.
I don't have it, and I don't have Mr. Morales. Miss Adams, what's the first name of Morales?
Gustavo.
Oh, Gustavo Morales. Yeah. His ex-wife had the best Puerto Rican restaurant in town. And unfortunately, it's not. She changed jobs.
Judge.
Yeah.
Yes.
In our system, I'm showing that it's scheduled June 17th at 8:30.
June 17th. Okay. I will fix that.
Oh, I know why. The PD's office called yesterday and I think there was a stip done, but it didn't get filed, so it never got entered with the court.
I didn't agree to adjourn this one.
I just sent a notice out yesterday. So
Okay.
There's Sarah Freeman, and I don't even know who she is. Let me see who she is. Sarah Freeman, can you unmute your device and tell me what you're here for, please?
Yes, sorry.
What case are you here for?
For Johnny Bridges.
Oh, okay. You can go ahead and mute your device and turn off your video.
Okay.
We're taking care of that right now. All right, we are back on the record with file number 26-22611FH. So Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed with Mr. Bridges?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Bridges, I spoke to his civil attorney, Mr. Hogg, yesterday. A settlement has been negotiated for Mr. Bridges on a workman's comp claim. That would allow him to pay bond and to get out and to make efforts toward payment in this matter, Your Honor. The issue is Mr. Bridges has to sign off and he needs to get to his lawyer's office to do that. I have spoken to Mr. Hogg. There is enough, Your Honor, to satisfy the bond in this. If Mr. Bridges could just be released on a PR with the proviso that within let's give him, I don't know, however long the court wants to give him, 3 or 4 days, a week, that he has to have.
Should do it.
That
Hold
bond
on. Hold on. We can't talk over each other because we're recording. Go ahead, Ms. Underwood.
He has that bond in, or there's a warrant and he's picked up, Your Honor, and spends a long time in jail, because I'm not sure anyone would obviously let him out again. So I'm asking the court's forbearance. The bond at this time is $2,500 cash. Mr. Bridges does have a large arrearage that he knows he has to attack. We're asking, Your Honor, if he could be released so he could complete this settlement, Your Honor.
Your Honor, hold on. Who is his attorney on the civil case?
Richard Hogg.
Hogg? H-O-G-G or H-O-G?
Yeah. H-O-G-G.
All right. Now, Ms. Brenner.
Your Honor, my previous notes say that he was going to get a large enough settlement that he'd be able to pay off this entire arrearage, not just a $2,500 bond. Is that not accurate anymore, Ms. Underwood? He's not getting enough to pay off the $50-some thousand?
I do not think he will be getting that much.
I'm going to object to the PR bond, Judge. They can bring the documents to him. I'm not going to object to him. I'm going to object to him getting out that low of a bond.
All right. So, Ms. Underwood, the attorney can come here and meet with them and have them sign documents, but I want all the money he gets back applied to this arrearage, all of it.
You're allowed 50% of it.
No, we want it all.
I'm allowed whatever I ask on this. This isn't your
By law,
paycheck.
50%.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to release
so
him
that's
on a
what you're
PR
getting.
bond.
That's what you're getting is 50%. So
Well, I'm
I've
not
given
giving
you
him a PR
everything that the
bond.
law
And I'm
tells me
gonna
to give
Thank
you,
you, Judge.
and then I have.
Okay, so I'm not going to release him, I'm going to mute him because he's talking. I'm not going to release him on a PR bond, and I'm going to change his bond to, how much is his arrearage?
He
Your Honor,
owes
please don't do that.
$54,902.
Your Honor,
Ms. Underwood, stop talking. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Ms. Brenner. Ms. Brenner, go ahead.
$54,902.17 is what he owes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Ms. Brett Underwood, what were you gonna say now?
Your Honor, please do not do that. Mr. Bridges is upset, Your Honor. He's been in jail a long time. He very much wants to get this done. I understand he's frustrated, and I apologize very much.
Okay, but he's in jail because of him, not me. So I'm gonna not give him a pure bond. I'm gonna set his bond at 5,000 now. And his attorney is more than welcome to go to his visit him at the jail and get him to sign paperwork. I'm gonna set this over to June 24 at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Order, Judge.
Ms. Underwood, you do the step in order to adjourn?
I will do that, Your Honor.
Thank you.
No objection. Thank you. I
All
believe
right,
that was my
anything
last
else?
one, Judge.
It is. Thank you. All right, Ms. Freeman, you're free to go. Well, I mean, you're free to go anyway. You're just observing, but you're all set. All right, Ms. Underwood, I have multiple people in the courtroom, so I didn't know if you wanted to come talk to them first or come in the courtroom and we could have
Who is in the courtroom, Your Honor?
I have Cody Gage and I have, hold on, I have Dravion Gillespie, and I have a gentleman in back and I don't know who you are. What's your name?
Gregory Powell.
And I have Gregory Powell. So in order of who got here, it was Mr. Gage, Mr. Gillespie, and Mr. Powell, but I know you have MDOC. Do you want me to have MDOC brought down?
Can we take care of these first, Your Honor? I think.
Yep. Do you want to come in the courtroom?
Yeah, I will meet each one of them in the hall.
Okay, excellent. All right, Mr. Gage, why don't you go in the hallway and meet with Miss Underwood real quick, and then when he's done, I'll take Mr. Gillespie and then Mr. Powell.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
This is another phone number for the middle floor.
Yeah.
It's a cell phone, you're supposed to carry with it.
Huh. All right.
You can't get on one, try that one.
Sneaky. All right, add that. So you can only withhold up to 50% of a paycheck, but that doesn't apply to settlements. So. Mhm. Yep. Yes, it does apply to settlements. But a bond is a different matter. Let's step off the bench for just a minute. Well, Miss Underwood, you're going out in the hallway, right, Rhonda?
Yep.
Okay.
Mr. Gage, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Please. Let's move back out.
Where you going, Rhonda? Come back. Okay, so we are done on the record in file number 2024-21921FH. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cody Wayne Gage, Senior. And this is date time set for a pretrial. I Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Gage, and I have Isaac Sneed and or Alexander Bayonetto appearing on behalf of the people. I do have a letter from Darren Coe stating that he has done a tremendous job with his 2 times a day PPTs. He doesn't miss and he's always 0%. So awesome. So Ms. Underwood, how do you wish to proceed?
I believe this is a violation of probation.
Oh, yeah. So it's a violation, yep, of probation. He's still doing a great job.
And they do not have the paperwork, the blood work back on the coming charges, Your Honor. So I would ask for about a month.
All right.
Thank you.
How long are they taking on those now? How long does it take on those?
I want to say a month to 2.
Really?
You know.
Okay, so June, July, why don't we set this, Ms. Adams, I'll need a notice of hearing for him. And I don't know what I did with my docket. Becky, oh. All right, so why don't we, Ms. Adams, set this out to July 29 at 8:30 in the morning, and I'll get you a notice of hearing and we should have the results by then. All right, so July 29 at 8:30, Ms. Underwood?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and Ms. Adams, if I could get a notice of hearing for him, can you have a seat at the end of that bench and we'll get you that notice, all right? Keep up the good work on the PPTs. All right, you gonna go talk to somebody else? Mr.
I'm ready on Mr. Glassby.
All right, Mr. Glassby.
But I need something from back in my.
All right, here, go this way and go get it. Mr. Glassby, just come up to the podium. Thank you. right, so we got this. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a-
Ms. Underwood, we're gonna hand down the advice of rights to your client.
He signed, oh, didn't he sign it? Oh, I brought it for him. Okay.
Okay, so, sir, evidently you might be taking a plea. So this is file number 26-22517FH in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Dravion Glassby. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Glassby and Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So Mr. Glassby, go ahead and read that real quick, and if you can sign and date it at the bottom, it's June 3rd. You did already? Okay. So Ms. Underwood, we'll take that back. So what are we doing today, Ms. Underwood?
Your Honor, Mr. Glassby will plead guilty to count 2 amended unlawful driving away. Count 2, I'm sorry, it's not amended, attempted unlawful driving away. That is a 2.5-year property felony on the G grid, or on the H grid, excuse me, Your Honor. And there will be no upfront jail on this matter, Your Honor. And all the other counts will be dismissed.
Okay, all right. So is that a correct recitation of plea, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Glassby, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, good. Now, you understand that the prosecutor and your attorney has advised that you are going to plead guilty to count 2 attempted motor vehicle unlawful driving away, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 2.5 years in prison, but it does also include a license suspension. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the agreement, the Killebrew agreement, is there'd be no upfront jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it your intention to plead guilty to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you do understand if you were to violate probation or bond conditions, you could be facing a jail term.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, now, are you satisfied with Ms. Underwood and the advice that she's given you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Neither the prosecutor, the defendant, or anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed any other possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Ms. Underwood?
It is correct.
Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Glassby, as far as you're aware?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. If a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial and not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you had been convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea would be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if your plea is accepted and you engage in any misconduct as defined in MCR 6.310, between now and sentencing, the court will not be bound by any sentencing agreement or evaluation, and you will not have a right to withdraw your plea. Misconduct is defined to include, but is not limited to, absconding, failing to appear for sentencing, violating terms of conditions on bond or the terms of any sentencing or plea agreement, or otherwise failing to comply with an order of the court pending sentence. So if you were to violate bond conditions, not show up for sentencing, that agreement for no upfront jail will go out the window. You got that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No, Your Honor.
All right,
Sir,
so
you have to speak
you gotta
up,
speak
please.
up a little bit. It's okay, just use an outdoor voice. Okay. How do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about October 17 of 25 in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee that you did commit the offense of attempted motor vehicle unlawful driving away? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No, Your Honor.
Do you understand that if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Ms. Underwood?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Steen?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Has your attorney promised you any particular sentence in terms of probation, fines, and costs, other than what was placed on the record?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Glassby, on October 17 of 2025, were you in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee?
Yeah.
All right. And were you with a group of individuals that drove away a Dodge Charger?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so there's somehow there's a 2019 Dodge Charger, right?
Yeah.
And it belonged to someone named Connor Cable?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and you were with a group of people and that vehicle was damaged?
Did you guys try to drive that car away?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, was it damaged?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and what kind of damage did it sustain?
I think just window damage.
Okay, would you agree, and I'm gonna take the plea to count one, Mr. Steen?
No.
The factual basis.
No
Mr.
objection to
Steen?
that.
Okay, so the vehicle was damaged, and would you agree that the damage of that vehicle is between 1,000 and 20,000, probably to replace it and fix it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and for purpose of that charge is being dismissed and you're pleading to an unlawful driving away, did someone in your group try to drive it away or take it? No, they just damaged it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and what part did you have in that?
Just damaging the window. Just damaging the window. That's it.
Okay, okay. Mr. Sneed, are you satisfied taking the plea to the greater offense for the purposes of the plea offer?
Yeah, I would just say the purpose of smashing the window was to drive it away.
Okay, it just
Not just to
didn't happen.
damage it.
Okay. All right, would you agree with that?
No.
No, you didn't. You guys were just gonna destroy the car. You didn't want, nobody wanted to take it?
I don't know what was the objective, but I don't know what the objective was.
Okay, but you were with a group of people that did that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Steen?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Ms. Underwood?
It has, Your Honor.
Why are you rolling your eyes?
No. It has.
Okay, okay. I know I took the plea to the factual basis of count one, but to satisfy count
I'm
two.
satisfied.
Okay. Mr. Sneed?
Yes, it has. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them other than the Killebrew agreement. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. Ms. Adams, could I get a notice of hearing from Mr. Glassby for sentencing on July 17 at 8:15 in the morning? And let me put that down.
Governor, is this a felony plea or a misdemeanor plea?
It's a felony.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. Glassby, what I'm gonna do right now is get you a notice of hearing for the day for sentencing, okay? There's no upfront jail recommended, so do you want to appear in person or do you want to Zoom in?
Can I appear in person?
Yeah, of course, you can always appear in person. Do you want Zoom instructions just in case you can't get a ride?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I know your license be suspended. So we're gonna hand down to you Zoom instructions. If you're not able to appear, you can Zoom in, okay?
Okay.
A couple things. Today, I'm gonna send you across the hall to the probation department. They'll give you a packet to fill out and instructions to come back and meet with them. So you're gonna have to come back and meet with them one time, okay? When you meet with them, be truthful about your background, be truthful about what occurred. They'll prepare a pre-sentence report. About a week before sentencing, I want you to call Miss Underwood, all right? And she'll review the pre-sentence report with you. And then we'll see you back on that day for sentencing. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, your bond's continued. So here's our Zoom instructions. I'm gonna get you a notice of hearing. So here's your notice of hearing for sentencing. And
Your
then you
Honor.
just go check in what, Ms. Teskey?
I have a note on my file that we have a felony warrant and that he needs to be arrested on that.
For what?
It was issued 11/10 of 25. He was ordered
what?
to appear in person after his last court and he didn't show up. Judge Olsaver told him that he needed to report in person the last time he was in court, and he just discontinued his Zoom, and so there's a warrant for his arrest.
This file?
I don't know if it's this file or not. It just says there's a felony warrant that was issued on 11/10 of 25.
Okay, just hold on. Ms. Adams, can you look up, because Ms. Spade, somebody?
Yeah, it's not on this file, Judge, but I'll.
It's on this file?
It is not on this file, but I'll check to see.
Hold on, we're gonna find out what this is.
Not in circuit court. I'll look in district.
I don't know.
But she said Judge Olsaver did it, so it must be up here.
Yeah, if I remember correctly, Mr. Glassby was in the Zoom and dropped out, if I remember correctly.
So our last Zoom that we had,
Yes,
I can explain that.
No, just hold on. We're gonna figure this out.
I don't think there was.
Rhonda, hold on. Let us look it up.
Oh, my Wi-Fi had one.
Hold on, just everybody hold on. Mr. Fry, you can just take that big old box right back out there. I don't even want to know that you're gonna be submitting all those exhibits today.
I mean, I wish I could. That's an order.
Judge, I'm not seeing anything. He has another file that is a 26, that they're talking.
Can you print
November.
that off, Sarah, and bring it in here?
You just need to,
Yeah, it's just a note that I have on this file that he had a felony warrant. So if you just send him over, Judge, I'll have law enforcement run him.
No, I don't want to let him leave the courtroom because I don't want him.
This case didn't even start till January of this year. This case.
Yeah, I need a file number, Ms. Teskey, because it's not this file.
And I can't find anything under district.
And there's nothing in district court.
That I can find.
Are you on probation in Jackson?
Yeah.
Are you reporting?
As of right now, no.
Is it out of Jackson, Ms. Teskey?
I don't know. I just had a note. Hang on.
Does she have a date that happened?
Do you have a date, Ms.
11/10
Teskey?
11/10 of 25 is what the note says.
I'm checking the recording, Judge.
I can have Justin come up and.
I just want to find out what this is. So we're gonna have someone come up and they're gonna run it through Maine to see if they can locate whatever this warrant is.
He
If
has
it's
a-
my county,
Can you come up?
It's out of Wayne.
oh, it's out of Wayne County? Do you know what?
It's
the
for
warrants-
NDOC, but it's out of Wayne County.
Are you on probation in Wayne?
I didn't, not that I know of.
He absconded from Wayne County.
So I can't do anything about Wayne County. I can't do anything about Jackson County. If it was this county, I would have quashed it, but because you're here, we're gonna have Justin come up and check it.
Yeah.
And let's
Instead of-
figure out what it is. So can you have a seat down there
Sit over here.
or have a seat over here? And we're gonna see what it is. Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor, did we get a sentencing date?
Yeah, July 17 at 8:15.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, all right. So, Ms. Underwood,
Yes, Your Honor.
I have, Mr. Powell.
Mr. Powell, give me just a second. Your Honor.
So we're trying to figure out. Okay, so, let me grab Mr. Powell's file. Okay, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Gregory Nelson Powell. File number 26-22606 FH. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Powell, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Sneed and Ms. Underwood, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I believe we're most of the way to a resolution.
Yes, Ms. Underwood.
Your Honor.
Or get that right.
Ms. Underwood, hold on. Can you either speak up louder? I mean, you're so tall and she's not, so we're having some audio issues.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sorry about that. All right.
You usually don't have to tell me to speak.
I know. Okay, go ahead.
I believe Mr. Benedetto and I have worked out a solution in this matter, Your Honor, but I would like one more pretrial to fine tune that. So if we could go to the next date you're doing pretrials, Your Honor.
All right, so Ms. Adams, I will need a notice of hearing. I can do June 10 or I can go to July 15.
Sure, why don't we do July 15?
All right, Ms. Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for Mr. Powell for July 15 at 8:30 in the morning? All right, so Mr. Powell, if you want to have a seat right behind you, we'll get you that notice of hearing and we will see you back on that day, okay? Do you want Zoom instructions? Okay, we'll get you those too. All right, Ms. Underwood.
I'm going to go back.
No, hold on. I have a pickup who's logged back in.
Okay.
Can I give you the file to look at and could we take care of him?
Sure.
All right, so, I'm gonna give you my copy of the probation violation paperwork.
Thank you.
And do you want to use the hallway one or you go back to your laptop?
I'll go back.
And then we'll do MDOC, all right? Mr. Fry, could you approach? So. The last couple of days. And Bill was like, he's like, you can't go home. And I'm like, I took that it's a scam. So I'm just telling you, that's the message Becky got.
Yeah, no, had emailed me about it. The hearing is, I don't know, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, all right. Mr. Anderson, give us just a minute. Miss Underwood is logging on to her laptop to talk to you. All right.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna open up a breakout room and I'm gonna pop you
Your
two
Honor?
into it.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
I spoke to Mr. Anderson yesterday. I wasn't aware that was the pickup you were talking about. But I believe,
Let me call
Mr.
the case then. Hold on, let me call it then. File number 22-21127FH, 22-21106FH, 23-21247FH in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Caleb Michael John Anderson. All right, Ms. Underwood, now you can proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Anderson, Your Honor, has resolved the issues in the count one of the request and warrant and summons, Your Honor. However, I would like to talk to the probation department about how that was resolved and see if we can come up with a suitable resolution. So I would ask the court just to put this over one time, Your Honor, so that I can talk to Ms. Holly about it.
All right, so Mr. Anderson, I'm gonna adjourn this to July 15. And we'll mail out a notice of hearing to you, but write it down July 15 at 8:30 in the morning, all right?
Okay, what address you guys got on file for me? Because I currently just switched residence, so.
Does the probation department have your address?
I think they have my old address. I'm not for sure if they got the new one.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Teskey. You're gonna give her your new address and then she'll give it to us because we're live streaming and I don't want you to put it on the record, all right?
All right, all right, sounds good.
So Miss Teskey, if you can get his updated address and then, where'd you go? And give that to Miss Adams, I would appreciate it. All right, go ahead and join that room.
Judge, when was this adjourned to?
July 15 at 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, Miss Underwood, do you want to go down and do you want MDOC brought back? I think so.
$85.20. Let me know what's gonna happen.
Hey, this is Judge Anselm. So you have a Tristan Pisana?
Yes, Your Honor, we do.
Well, I can see him whenever you get an opportunity.
Yes, ma'am, right away.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Of course. Bye.
I don't have.
Yes. So if you let me know what's happening, we'll find out. Thank you. Wait, Jackson has one and Wayne has one. So they're waiting to see if they're gonna come pick you up.
Okay.
And then they're gonna
They
let you
took him
know.
back to custody.
Justice hanging on to him until they get it figured out.
Did you just hang up on me? All right, Mr. Anderson, you're all set.
All set. All right, thank you. Have a good afternoon.
You too, thank you. Miss Heron, I just wanted to let you know I called the jail for Mr. Pisana.
Okay, perfect. I'll log on now.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yeah, thanks. Bye-bye.
Did she already talk to MDOC? Rhonda already talked to MDOC?
No. We're doing that cop, I told her, see if she wanted to go down, but she never got around to it.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
did they take Mr. Gillespie into custody?
they got him back there holding on to him. Evidently, there might be a warrant out of Jackson and Wayne.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna go back there and get his information, so I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
He
Thank
might be
you.
on the first floor, Sarah.
He might be on the first floor.
Oh, shoot, okay, I'll wait then, because I don't want to miss a plea if you take it.
You got time. Rhonda's down talking to MDOC, so go ahead.
Okay.
What floor are you with him?
You said first floor, Doug?
Hold on, we're checking.
Yeah.
Third floor?
First.
He's on first.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, clear. Sarah Testy's gonna come down and talk to you real quick. That's closer.
He's such a nice kid too.
They both wanted, we're gonna see if Jackson's gonna come up, pick him up.
I'm never gonna get him back.
Clearly, back.
You ready for MDOC?
Yes.
All right.
8578. Could bring Mr. Owens down the courtroom, please.
Was there one?
Well, there was from like November, December. But
Well,
who it is? Where? How you doing, Joanne? Good. Thank you, Rhonda. Doing okay. You have to have roller skates on today. You need roller skates today. I feel kind of like one of those fighters, you know, when they go in the and then they pull them back out there. That's me this morning. There you go. There you go.
well, you've handled it well. You should be an MMA fighter. Okay, so this is file number 25-22420F8. This is it, you, Ms. Heron, yet. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Houston Eric Owen. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Owen. Mr. Owen is present in person. And I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is date time set for a pretrial. Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, the offer from the prosecution is Mr. Owen would plead guilty to the prisoner possessing weapon charge, Your Honor. All habituals will be dismissed. We would be requesting a COBS to the low end of the guidelines in this matter, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Sneed, is that a correct recitation of the plea?
Yes, it is, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, and that's fine, Ms. Underwood. The court will do that. So, sir, my bailiff's handed down to you your advice of rights. If you can just take a minute and review that with Ms. Underwood, and then I'm going to need you to sign it just to acknowledge you received it, okay?
Right, Judge, I'm back with you.
All right, we are on Mr. Owen right now, Ms. Underwood, Ms. Teskey. He's going to plead as charged to count 1, prisoner possessing weapon with a COBS to the low end of the guidelines.
Okay.
And the habituals will be.
And no habituals.
Okay. Where's he currently incarcerated?
Where are you currently incarcerated, sir?
Adrian.
Adrian, he's at Gus. All right. And now I have received back a copy of the advice of rights. So now I'm going to go through those advice of rights with you, sir, and make sure you understand them, okay? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now I need you to speak up a little bit. You are soft-spoken, so make sure you speak loud for me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, you are, is it Houston or Huston?
Houston.
Houston Eric Owen, correct?
Owens.
Owens
Yes.
with an S. All right. Miss Adams, it appears that all of the charging documents are incorrect. Is his MDOC last name Owens with an S?
No.
Okay. So Mr. Owen, for some reason, we have you as Owen and maybe you're going by Owens or there's an error, but you probably need to look into that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speak up a little bit louder.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, you've heard the statement of your attorney and the prosecuting attorney. Is it your intention today to plead guilty to count 1, prisoner possessing weapons? Is it your intention to plead guilty to that today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you understand the maximum penalty for that could be up to 5 years in prison and or a $1,000 fine? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And because you were incarcerated at the time this occurred, do you understand it'll stack on any sentence you're currently serving?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now are you satisfied? And there's a COBS agreement that you would be sentenced to the low end of whatever the guidelines are. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, are you satisfied with Miss Underwood as your attorney and the advice that she's given you?
Yes, ma'am.
And neither the prosecutor, the defendant, or anyone on the defendant's behalf, has discussed, I mean, we had a lot of pleas today, has discussed a possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Miss Underwood?
It's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Owens, is that correct as far as you're aware?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be, you have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at that trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that if the plea is accepted and you engage in any misconduct as defined in MCR 6.310 between now and sentencing, the court will not be bound by any sentencing agreement or evaluation, and you will not have a right to withdraw your plea. Misconduct is defined to include, but is not limited to, absconding or failing to appear for sentencing, which you will appear, violating terms of conditions on bond or terms of any sentencing or plea agreement, or otherwise failing to comply with an order of the court pending sentence. The only way this would impact you is if you were to receive new charges between now and sentencing. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No, ma'am.
All right. How do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about May 8 of 2025 in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee that you did commit the offense of prisoner possessing weapon? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Okay. Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand that if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Ms. Underwood?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Has your attorney promised you any particular sentence or estimated what your sentence will be other than the agreement that was placed on the record?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, Mr. Owens, on May 8 of 2025, were you at the Gus Harrison facility?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you were lawfully incarcerated there as a prisoner, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you agree that's in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee? What if I were to tell you that the prison is located in Madison Township in the county of Lenawee? You would have no reason to dispute that, correct?
Right.
Okay. And at that time, did you have some kind of weapon?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what you had?
6-inch blade.
A 6-inch blade. And you weren't allowed to possess that, correct? Okay. Are you satisfied, Mr. Sneed?
I am. Thank you.
Has the court complied with the MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Ms. Underwood?
It has.
Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement other than the CODS agreement to the low end of the guidelines regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. I'm going to set this for sentencing on July 17 at 8:15 in the morning. Mr. Owens, I'm going to have you brought over in person, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so someone, whether it's a counselor at MDOC or the probation department, is going to come talk to you about the events that occurred. Just be truthful with them about your background, the events that occurred. They'll prepare a report. We'll get a copy to Ms. Underwood. Ms. Underwood's really good about getting in and meeting with clients before sentencing, but sometimes things are happening at the prisons and she can't. If she can't meet with you in advance, I will give her time to talk to you in the morning, okay?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you back on July 17 at 8:15 in the morning. Thank you all.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Underwood, I have one more pickup. And I've got the jail. I'm just waiting for them to start the video.
And I'll go back.
Did you get the paperwork on Mr. Pisana? Mr. Sneed, I think you're good.
Yeah,
All right.
I was
thank
just
you.
going to ask. No more pretrials?
Yep.
Thanks, Judge. Have a good day.
All right, thank you. All right, thanks, Ms. Tusky. She's already gone.
No, I'm not gone.
Oh, there you are.
Am I
All
done?
right, I think you're done.
Okay, Cody Goat, he got adjourned.
Gage.
Gage, okay.
He
was the only-
It's a child support case he's paying. Or no, yeah, he got adjourned to July 29 at 8:30. That's a
Okay, he
probation
was the only one I
violation.
hadn't checked off. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Underwood, I've got the jail. They just haven't started their video or unmuted. Oh, there we go. Are
My
you
apologies, Your Honor.
Tristan Pizzana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how do you pronounce your last name?
Pizzagna.
Pizzagna. All right, so this is file number 2014-4000006 DP in the matter of Jordan Jarrell versus Tristan Pizzana. Sir, we are here today on two things. One is failure to pay child support. It states here you're ordered to pay $662 a month in child support. As of today, you have an arrearage of $28,180. You were also ordered to appear for a show cause on March 2nd of 2026, and you failed to appear. So both of those carry a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in jail if you plead guilty or are found guilty. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now, sir, I want to warn you, you are like well above the felony level that the Attorney General could charge you with a felony. Now, you are currently working, and I believe we're getting income withholding. You're working at the beach bar?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, you understand that you're supposed to pay $662 a month. The last payment we got was $218.30. So Ms. Underwood, he's making payments. He's not paying the full amount. He probably needs an income review. But sir, do you want a court-appointed attorney to talk to on this?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna open up a breakout room and put you two in that room and give you a moment to speak. So go ahead and join the breakout room. So Jackson and Wayne County?
Yeah.
It's been busy. Oh, Ms. Underwood, let me close that breakout room. Okay, so Ms. Underwood, we are back on the record in file number 2014-40006 DP. So Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Yes, Your Honor. I've spoken with Mr. Pizzagna, and, Your Honor, you stated correctly, he is working at the beach bar. Income withholding is attaching and taking 50% of his check. However, as I've explained to him, he needs to get in as soon as possible and do two things, Your Honor. One is update his address with the friend of the court, and the second is request an income review, Your Honor, because I think his support is clearly based on an inflated income to what he's making, Your Honor. And given that he is under income withholding and is making payments, Your Honor, I would request a PR bond and perhaps a future Monday morning date for Mr. Pizzagna to get these things done, Your Honor.
All right, so sir, because you are making payments, I'm going to release you on a PR bond because at least you're making an effort. You have to get in and get an income review, and people do this all the time. Like, you lose a better job, you get a worse job, you make less money. They don't come in, they don't ask for an income review. Well, that child support is going to keep ticking at the high amount. So I'm going to give you a PR bond. You're going to get out today. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Karen so she can get your phone number and your address. But then you have got to, when you come in, get out of jail, come to the courthouse, petition for an income review, provide them with the documents they need, and get this taken care of so your child support amount gets reduced to whatever you're making, okay?
I understand, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, and I want that done today. But Miss Adams, could I get a date out 60 days for front of the court?
Okay.
I think we were setting like July, I don't remember.
Well, we've got July 27th or August 3rd.
Let's do July 27. So let's set this over to July 27 at 8:15 in the morning. And when we come back, I want to hear that you're still making payments and that you set an income review, because it only goes to the day you file it. So it doesn't go back any further. All right.
Yes, I understand.
All right. Very good.
You filed that today. It starts today.
I understand.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. And Miss Karen and sir, I'm going to open up a breakout room and I want you to give her your contact information and all of that. And then when you're done, you can just leave. So join that breakout room and give that contact information to Miss Heron.
Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Underwood, I think you are done.
Thank you.
Good job today. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna stop live stream. We're gonna